I'm in a Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Next to me is a Tesla Model X P100D. Next to that is a Mercedes-AMG GLC 63S. Now we're going to have a drag race. The reason is that a few weeks ago I raced a Tesla Model X P100D against a lot of other SUVs.
Oh my God, that Tesla.
But the Trackhawk wasn't there and you guys complained, all in the comments like, where's the Trackhawk? Well, you guys asked. I listened and now I've delivered. So let me tell you about this car. It has a 6.2 litre supercharged V8 with 710 horsepower. The Tesla has a 100 kilowatt hour battery, 2 electric motors and 770 horsepower. The Mercedes, well, it has a 4 litre twin turbo V8 with 510 horsepower. Now I know you're thinking, well, it's way down on power. Why is it here? It's here because I'm going to use it as an example of a very quick SUV to show just how quick these bigger SUVs are. Now before we drag race, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, why not follow me on Instagram? My personal account is @MattWatsonCars. Now, before we race, can you guess which of these cars is going to win? Is it going to be this Trackhawk, that Tesla, or the Mercedes? Cast your vote. Now you've done that, let's find out what the answer is. You know what, we can't actually start the race yet because that Tesla is having to wait for its battery to warm up so it can give full power. This Jeep is right ready to go pretty much whenever. Now this is one of the things about the Teslas as well. They don't work quite so well at low temperature. So we're at 4 degrees right now and he's struggling to heat up his battery to get his launch control engaged. This is actually better at lower temperature because the air is denser, so you get more oxygen into the cylinder for more power. No, still no. I don't know how long it's going to take him to charge up. Yeah, we'll run as soon as he's ready to go, but it's just that it's been over 15 minutes that we've been waiting for him. You ready? Yes! Yes! He's finally ready! Let's race!
Timekeepers, are you ready?
Come on.
Drivers, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I had a good start there, it's squirming. I've got the lead on him. He's coming now. This is going to be so close. Come on, Jeep, come on, don't let me down. Damn that Tesla! Oh, I'm getting on him now. Whoa, whoa. Sorry for shouting so much, guys. That was really exciting and so very close.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, I got off the line first, but then the Tesla pulled it back and managed to hold out to the finish, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds. The Jeep did it in 11.9 seconds, and despite being way down on power, the Mercedes wasn't far behind with 12.1 seconds.
So there's your answer, guys. All those who wanted to know whether the Trackhawk could beat the Tesla, no it couldn't, not today. Same conditions, same track. It's not the best time. I've had a 11.3 out the Tesla over the standing quarter, but we're gonna have another challenge. Now we're gonna have a rolling race. We're gonna lock it in 3rd gear. I'm gonna get to 50 miles an hour. Tesla's obviously just up fully automatic. The Mercedes is locked in manual in 3rd. I'm gonna count it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, this picks up so quick. Oh, that Tesla picks up even quicker. Can I pull him back before I run out of space? I'm starting to pull him back ever so slightly. I'm pulling him back. I've got to brake now. I've got to brake now. I've got to brake now. Can I brake before the end? I just managed to brake before the end. I think the Trackhawk just had that. It will have been at quite a high speed, over 100 miles an hour, but I was reeling him in and I just passed him before he backed off. That is a win to the Trackhawk. I'm not even thinking about the Mercedes. That Mercedes is so fast, it's keeping up pretty blooming well. Now we're going to do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. Full emergency stop. So this way is 2.4 turns, at Tesla 2.5 and the Mercedes, can't remember, let's just do this brake, let's see what happens. Come on, Trackhawk. Oh, the Tesla beat it. The Mercedes one is the lightest, it's just around 2 tons. So it's 1 win to the Tesla, 1 win to the Trackhawk, and 1 win to the Mercedes. So all square at the end of the day. But really the one that matters the most is the drag race. The Tesla won it.